Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing about the else conditions in Python. Okay, so the else keyword catches anything which isn't caught by the preceding conditions. So in the last video, we have done this one, and there are these three conditions here, right? So what if the marks is something like 65, something like that? So we will not be catching this condition right now, right? So the else statement is executed when the if condition and any elif conditions evaluate to false. Okay, so in this case, what is exactly happening? So this is false currently right now, this will be false, and this will be false. Okay, so in this case, if we want to catch all of the other cases, if we want to catch all of the other conditions, then we can add the else condition here, and here we can print the following thing. So if I just do something like grade D, okay, so as you can see here, all of these conditions will be false. So if I just run the program, so as you can see, we are getting an error currently right now. So why we are getting an error? So let's open up this one. So once again, we are getting this temp code runner file. So let's delete this one. So we will not be getting any sort of error right now. So if I just run the program right now, as you can see, we are getting grade D. And now the marks doesn't matter. Whatever the marks is, which is not following these conditions. So if I just do the marks to 50, once again, we will be getting grade D here. Okay, so this is the else statement inside of Python. All right, so as you can see, whenever all of the if and the elif statements are false, then we can catch all of the other conditions by using the else clause here or the else statement here. Okay, all right, so this is the else statement in Python.